Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. Today's video I want to show you how to adjust the brakes, so in order they are left and right the same. Could be practical if you change the brake cables, or that after a while driving you feel like, hey, the bike is, when I brake, the bike is pulling to the right or to the left. It's also very important that the brake power is equal adjusted, because if you would turn through a corner and only the wheel which brakes is in the air, then you have no brakes. So it's really practical, it's really good to check this once in a while, and it's also very little work to check. So you start with the brakes on parking brake. That's the start point. Then you lift up the left wheel and you push, and then you lift up the right wheel and you push. And you compare how much the pressure. You can feel like, for example, here right is going way easier than left. So I will show you now what to do in such a case. Okay. So in my case, my right side brake had less power than my left side, so I extend this part, which brings the brakes closer to each other. And then I try again, the same thing what I just did. After you checked that right and left has the same brake power as I showed before, you check one more thing. You release the handbrake or the parking brake. You release the brake handle, and you check if the wheel is turning freely. So you check if the wheel is running, and you can see it's, when it stops, it moves still a little bit backwards. So the bearing is good and the brakes are free. This bearing is still brand new, so it needs to run in a bit, getting it a little bit softer or smoother. But still, this is okay. If you would see something like, let me try to simulate. If you would see something like this or this, then it's clearly the brakes are pretty much applied still, and you wouldn't able to catch speed. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.